Hey kids! Welcome back to Tiny Math Genius! Are you ready for a super fun math challenge? Can you solve these simple math questions in just 5 seconds?
Addition and subtraction.
Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tiny Math Genius for more fun math quizzes.
Go!
Let's begin with the easy level.
Question 1. 1 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 2. Perfect start. Question 2. What is 2 plus 1? Think fast. That's 3. Nicely done. Question 3. 1 plus 2, go! It's 3. Same numbers, same answer. Did you notice? Question 4. Can you solve 2 plus 2? You get 4. Double 2, double fun. Question 5. 3 plus 1, what's the answer? Got it? The answer is 4. Adding 1 is easy, right? Question 6. Now we're switching. 3 minus 1, what do you get? That's 2. Subtraction time. Well done. Question 7. 4 minus 1, go! It's 3. Taking 1 away, you've got this. Question 8. 5 minus 2, what's the answer? Think fast. The total is 3. Sharp thinking. Question 9. 6 minus 3, what do you get? That's 3. 3 threes in a row. Incredible. Question 10. 4 minus 2, go! Almost there. The answer is 2. First 10 done. You're amazing. Welcome to the medium level. Question 11. Back to adding. 2 plus 3, what's the answer? It's 5. Welcome back to addition. Question 12. What is 4 plus 1? Think fast. That's 5. Another 5. Nice. Question 13. 3 plus 2, go! The answer is 5. 3 5s in a row. Wow! Question 14. Can you solve 5 plus 1? You get 6. Adding 1, always 1 more. Question 15. 2 plus 4, what's the answer? Got it? The total is 6. 2 6s. Keep going. Question 16. Switching again. 5 minus 1, what do you get? That's 4. Subtraction is back. Question 17. 6 minus 2. Go! Think fast. It's 4. 2 4s in a row. Question 18. 7 minus 3, what's the answer? The answer is 4. 3 4s, are you seeing it? Question 19. 8 minus 4, what do you get? Almost there. That's 4. Question 20. 5 minus 3, go! The total is 2. Pattern broken halfway through. Keep it up. The tricky level is next. Brace yourself. Addition is back. 3 plus 3. What's the answer? It's 6. Double 3. Beautiful. Question 22. What is 4 plus 2? Think fast. That's 6. Question 23. 5 plus 2. Go. The answer is 7. New number. Great thinking. Question 24. Can you solve 6 plus 1? You get 7. Question 25. 4 plus 3. What's the answer? The total is 7. Time to subtract again. 7 minus 2. What do you get? That's 5. Subtraction sharp as ever. Question 27. 8 minus 3. Go. Think fast. It's 5. 2 5s. Keep rolling. Question 28. 9 minus 4. What's the answer? Almost there. The answer is 5. Question 29. 6 minus 1. What do you get? That's 5. Question 30. 5 minus 2. Go. The total is 3. Final stretch. 5 plus 3. What's the answer? It's 8. Big number, big brain. Question 32. What is 6 plus 2? Think fast. That's 8. 2 8s. Nice work. Question 33. 7 plus 1. Go. The answer is 8. Question 34. Can you solve 4 plus 4? You get 8. Question 35. 5 plus 4. What's the answer? Almost there. The total is 9. So close to the finish line. Last subtraction round. 9 minus 5. What do you get? That's 4. Sharp eyes. Question 37. 8 minus 2. Go. Think fast. It's 6. Well done. Question 38. 7 minus 1. What's the answer? The answer is 6. Question 39. Almost there. 6 minus 4. What do you get? That's 2. One more to go. You've got this. Final question. 5 minus 5. Give me your best answer. Zero. That is correct. You are an absolute math champion.
Great job! Subscribe to Tiny Math Genius for more fun math quizzes. See you in the next video.